Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, it's the kind of weather situation where you don't want this to be the last forecast that you hear now till the weekend, because things will be changing. Very difficult forecast. I mean, tracking hurricanes, predicting hurricanes, never an easy thing. Let's first go to live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar just to check locally. Nothing really going on. Clear to partly cloudy skies. We are dry and comfortable, so not anticipating any precipitation, not yet. As we kind of switch over here into kind of hurricane central, keeping an eye on Irene, which, is getting better organized, even though the winds are still at 90 miles per hour. Structure-wise, on the satellite photo, we're seeing a storm that is trying to get its act together, even though right now it's a Category 1 storm, top wind 74 to 95 miles per hour. More than likely will become a Category 2 storm and possibly a Category 3 by the time it gets near the Carolina coastline by Friday. So we do anticipate a storm that will get stronger. Here's the close-up satellite photo. The Bahamas right up in here, Cuba, the Dominican Republic, and you can see, for one, the width of the cloud structure is getting larger, and it's right in here. Right there, that's the eye. We'll play this back one more time, and it's right there. You see that little hole in the center. So all of this trying to consolidate and organize, and even though at the last advisory, which just came in from the Hurricane Center just 10-15 minutes ago, is still holding the winds at 90 miles per hour. Here's a wider view, South Florida and the Bahamas, and that huge canopy of clouds is a developing Hurricane Irene. Winds of 90 miles per hour, though more than likely by tomorrow morning, all throughout the day, these wind speeds will come up quite a bit. Gusts to 120, still moving very slowly to the west-northwest at 8 miles per hour. The anticipated track in the short term should take it off the Florida coastline. So at this point, not a direct hit to Florida, but it will be a direct hit to the Bahamas, and then tracking up as a Category 3 major hurricane off the Carolina coastline. This is Friday, 8 o'clock in the evening, top winds of 110 miles per hour. And then notice the track hugging the coastline and coming close to, if not over, New York City by Sunday evening at 8 o'clock. And now this obviously becomes a significant situation for here in southern New England, even though it does weaken to a Category 1 hurricane. Now, this whole yellow area is kind of what we call the cone of uncertainty. In other words, even though this is the official track, it could track anywhere in this yellow area, which means it could be as far out as completely out to sea, missing everybody, to as far west as out towards Pennsylvania. But let me show you all the other computer models that we use, the track models. All these lines in here are a predicted path from different computer models, and see how they're all kind of clustered and consolidated into one zone. So the confidence is growing of a storm that kind of hugs the coastline. Even though it weakens, it's still a hurricane. So if this pans out, things are really going to go downhill come Saturday night into Sunday around here as far as rain and wind, and why you want to certainly stay tuned to further forecasts. Meanwhile, we are dry and comfortable here in Providence. The temperature at 64. Gorgeous tonight. Back to sunshine tomorrow morning. 67 to 77 the morning range in temperature. A beautiful afternoon looking at sunshine, much like today. High temperatures upper 70s to around 80. Nice beach day as well. 7-day outlook shows the chance for showers on Thursday. I'm thinking Thursday evening, Thursday night. Clearing Friday. Saturday day is dry. Come Saturday night and especially Sunday, that is the potential time frame for significant weather and potential impacts from Hurricane Irene. Stay tuned.
Alrighty, Tony, thanks a lot.